In the heart of the 21st century, a groundbreaking discovery was about to illuminate the dark corners of our ancestral past. A team of dedicated scientists, led by the tenacious Dr. Henrietta Howard, gathered at the cutting-edge facility of the Genome Research Institute. Their mission, to delve into the mysteries of paternal lineage, a realm shrouded in enigma for centuries. The year was 2025, and the world watched with bated breath as the team embarked on this momentous endeavor. The air was thick with anticipation, the laboratories buzzing with the hum of advanced machinery and the whispers of eager researchers. The stage was set for a revelation that would redefine human understanding. Dr. Howard, a woman of unyielding determination, stood before her team, her eyes gleaming with excitement. "Today," she declared, "we embark on an extraordinary journey. We will unravel the threads of our paternal lineage, a tapestry woven by the hands of time and the DNA of our ancestors." Their first subject was a man named John, a volunteer with a deep curiosity about his roots. As the team extracted his DNA, they were met with an unexpected twist. John's Y chromosome, a genetic marker for paternal lineage, bore a unique mutation. This discovery was the key they needed to unlock the secrets of the past. Delving deeper, they traced the mutation back through the generations, each step revealing a richer, more intricate picture of John's ancestry. They discovered that John's lineage could be traced back to a distant African tribe, a revelation that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The findings challenged conventional wisdom, which held that the majority of modern-day European males could trace their paternal lineage back to a single individual known as Y chromosome Adam. This new discovery suggested that there may have been multiple Adams, each representing a separate migration event from Africa. The revelation sparked a frenzy of research as scientists raced to verify the team's findings. The implications were far-reaching, reshaping our understanding of human history and the migration patterns of our ancestors. In the end, the journey of genetic ancestry research proved to be a captivating odyssey, filled with twists and turns that illuminated the tapestry of human history. The discovery of John's unique paternal lineage was but a single thread in the grand tapestry, a testament to the rich, complex history that lies hidden within each of us. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our genetic ancestry, one thing becomes clear: the story of our past is far from over. The tapestry of human history is a living, breathing entity, and each new discovery serves to weave a more intricate, more beautiful pattern. And so, the journey continues, as we delve deeper into the enigmatic world of our ancestors, seeking to unravel the threads that bind us to the past and illuminate the path to our future.